Let me show you a quick way to downsize any big pants that you have, whether it's a jeans, your work or casual pants, any pants whatsoever. You can see the excess of my pants bunched up. So the first thing we're going to do is to go ahead and measure your waistline. So whether it's a high waist trouser or a low waist trouser, you're going to measure exactly the point where your trouser will be sitting, and you take down that measurement. The next thing to do is to take your pants, the pants you're trying to adjust. You can zip up or button up, whichever one it has. Then you're going to measure around the waist of this pant. When you have measured that, you're going to subtract your actual waist from the waist of this big pant. In my case, my waist is 32 and my pants was about 34 inches. So 34 minus 32 is 2 inches, which means this trouser is bigger than me by 2 inches. Because we're going to be working on the back, you flip your pants to the back, then measure the distance between your side line and the back line. I hope you understand that. You're going to find the midpoint of that line. After you've marked the midpoint, you're going to draw up a line. After doing this, you're going to divide the difference between your actual waist and your pant waist by 4. So for me, 2 divided by 4 is 0.5. So I went ahead to mark 0.5 on each side of my dart. So whatever your own difference is divided by 4, you mark each on both sides of your dart. Then you go up by 0.5 or 1 inch depending on the length of that dart. Then you go on to connect that to each side of your dart. I really do hope you can see what I'm doing clearly enough. Here is what my darts look like when I was done with my marking. Then you're going to repeat the same process for the other side of your pant. Just so that you can accurately sew this dart, what I'm going to do is to put pins at different points of my dart and redraw my dart on the other side of the pant. When I'm done pinning, I will flip the trouser to the other side and unzip or unbutton it, whichever one it has. Using each pin as a point of reference, I'm going to redraw my dart. With this, it will be easier for you to see your dart lines on the other side and sew accurately. When you're done, you can remove your pins and go ahead and sew your darts. Thank you all for joining me on today's episode. Please do well to like, subscribe and share. I will see you in the next one.